Welcome! Today we will learn how to make the double crochet stitch. Abbreviated. And its symbol appears on the screen. So let's get started. This is how the double crochet stitch looks. Get the yarn and the hook. The hook size is 4.5 millimeters. Wrap the yarn and hold the hook like so. This is how we hold the hook, then we start chaining. When we get to the desired number of chain stitches, we'll add 3 more chains for the double crochet. Skip the first 3 chains and go into the 4th one. To make the double crochet stitch, grab the yarn from below like so. And insert the hook into the back loop of the chain. Then yarn over and pull through, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again from below, and pull through 2 loops. And we will get 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through these 2 loops and get 1 loop on the hook. And this is the double crochet. This is the chain we just worked on and this is the next one. So again, yarn over before we go into the stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. And we'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. We'll have 2 loops. Yarn over again. Pull through and we will get 1 loop. This is the next one. Yarn over. And go into the next stitch. Then pull through to get 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 of the 3 loops. And we'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through to get 1 loop. I'll demonstrate again to make sure you got it right. Yarn over like so. And go into the next stitch. Yarn over again. Pull through, and 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over from below. And pull through 2 loops and we'll end up with 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. Again, yarn over and go into the next one. Pull through and we'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again from below. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops and we'll get 1 loop. Yarn over and go into the next one. There are 3 loops, yarn over. Pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and 1 loop left. Yarn over. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through, 1 loop left. Yarn over and go into the next one. The stitches are obvious as we see, this is the next one. And this is the one we just did. So yarn over. Go into the next stitch and we'll have 3 loops, then pull through 2. We have 1 loop, yarn over and go into the next one. We have 3, yarn over and pull through 2. Starting the 2nd row. To start the next row, we first chain up 3. So 3 chains, then yarn over. This is the stitch we'll go into. Then we insert the hook into the stitch like so. Yarn over and there are 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2, and again to get 1 loop. Two loops. And continue the same way. Like so. The next one. Next row. We start the row with 3 chains. And continue on. And now we've finished the double crochet stitch, and this is how it looks at the end. Thank you.